So hello and welcome guys, and welcome back to everyone. So this is our third skill. This is the first skill, third lab, and here we have to choose. You can do it through the template, or you can do this data flow with the Python. I just go with the Python. It's so cool. It will be easy. I know. I don't know about this data flow template working with the Python. Just I know the Python is really cool. And copy and paste it here. Click accept. This is just the command we do. Okay, just scroll down and activate the cloud shell and authorize. Okay, accept it. Once you accept it, click on this button to activate the cloud shell. Just minimize this navigation. Click on continue and just wait few seconds, 1 to 3 seconds. Yeah, and once it is done, we will copy this Qcloud authorization list and we will paste it here. You can type it, no need to copy, but just we have to do it quicker. And once it is done, and it says to say why is it necessary to do confirm. Okay, no need to know. I know this is not required. Okay, you have to create a bucket with something written. So copy this and paste it here. Click the first one, just scroll, just move this down side, cross this, click on create bucket. What's the bucket name? Unique name. Okay, so our GCP project ID is always unique. Just paste it here, and region, location type regional. Okay, we have to choose the regional, so location type regional, and US central one. Once it is done, click on create. Just scroll down, click on create. I'll show you how can I create it. Yeah, check it out. Nice, it is done. Now install pip and cloud data flow SDK. To install this, run this code and just move it up, paste it here, and install code. Okay, so everything is up to date. It will download the necessary dependency and it will install. We just follow this step and everything will be gone correctly. Don't miss any of the line, otherwise you have to do it from the beginning. Okay, copy this one. Yeah, it will take, I think it will take little bit, just wait. It's really taking a longer time. Yeah, it is done. Now copy this one, paste it down here. It should go quicker. Wait, taking a long time. Yeah, once it is done, copy this code, paste it here. Nice. Okay, this is output. Sorry, this is the output. Don't copy this one. That was output. I didn't read it. Okay. Get file name. Copy the name. Output of the cat into the file name. What is the file name? Where is the file name? Copy this whole. and paste it here and press enter. Once it is done, okay, here you need to provide a bucket name. Do you remember the bucket name? That was GCP project ID, and that is really unique. Just cross it, just remove everything, paste it here, press enter. Yeah, it is done. Now run the, okay, just run this, press enter and wait a few seconds. It won't take a long time, it will take fewer minutes than other. Once you will see the message or something like this, I'm just waiting for the message. Just keep waiting, and once it is done, we have to go to this Dataflow tab. Yeah, I think we got the message, something that is required. Dataflow, just click the first link and cross this one. Yeah, you should see on count job status running at first. Click on the name of those process when you can continue watching the cloud cell. It says job must be running, but our job is not running. Okay, so how can I? There is no any job running. So I think we need to start it. Yeah, is there written anything? You should see the what counts job. There is no any job. There is no any job. There is no any job running. That means we haven't succeeded or job. Check your job success. No any job is running. Yeah. No any job is running. Bending Simpson, something like this. And I think this one is our job and it is failed, so we need to restart this one. How do we restart it? Just click on this and is there any way to restart this job? It says there is no need work because there was problem refreshing your credentials. It says there was some problem refreshing your credentials. What is this, guys? Why our job is failed? Our job is failed. It said our job is failed. Job message work has been started. I think didn't got the message. Yeah. Just close this one. Let's see. Let's run this code once again. If you run this code in output, wait until you see the message. Job message detail work has been started successfully. Then continue the lab. Job message detail. Okay, I'm just searching the message. What happened? Okay, Let's sign in once again. Sometimes such problem comes, no need to worry. Okay, confirm it. Okay, so I think this job will be submitting the next, this is your next job we have submitted, just downloading this above code, and once it will check to the green button we can continue to the next. So just wait, refresh it, let it be green check button. Yeah, it's taking a little bit longer one. Okay, let's check our job status is done. Please wait for few minutes. Yeah, I think we need to wait, it must check to green button, so just wait more. So finally our job is succeed. It's not showing under the running, but you can see it under, when you start off the starting button you can see it. Yeah, it is succeed and you have got 100%. So that's it for this lab. Thank you.